Hey guys, Tony here. So I just got news of, obviously Elon Musk tweeting that he's thinking about selling 10% of his stocks, and a lot of people are freaking out, and I don't really understand why they're freaking out because it's just, to me, it's just, if he's selling 10% of his stock, he's probably just thinking about starting something else or putting the money elsewhere. Maybe he's thinking about buying Bitcoin or maybe buying Doggy or whatever. I think for the most part, whenever Elon Musk actually, cashes out his stocks or ends up making a lot more money than he initially thought, he's probably selling to make something, right? That's kind of my first. It feels like it's common sense, right? Everybody's like, oh, why is Elon Musk selling his Tesla shares? Like, does he mean that does he mean that his shares are like, does he think that Tesla stock is overpriced? Is that why he's selling his shares? Blah blah blah, whatever. I don't think he thinks that Tesla is overpriced. I honestly think that he's just selling because he wants to probably start something else. Like, that's usually what he does. He makes a lot of money. He ends up using that money for something else, and then he ends up doing really well. So don't really know why people are freaking out. It seems like if Elon Musk ends up selling like 10% of his Tesla shares, he's probably going to put that money to work somewhere else. So if anything, this just seems good for Elon Musk all around. I don't think Tesla is going to drop or anything. I think Tesla is going to keep doing great. And for people, saying like, oh, he thinks that Tesla is overpriced, he wants to cash out, blah, blah, blah. He's only selling 10% of his stock. Like, he's not selling, 90% of it. I would be worried if he sold like 90% and then he's like, oh shit, what's going on? But he's selling 10%. 10% of his stock is probably hundreds of millions, if not $1 billion, right? Like, he's probably selling out to probably start something else. That's really it. That's what I think. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.